Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Sofirn brand SC13 pocket flashlight. This is the HCRI version LED pocket flashlight. It's rechargeable. We're going to open it up. We're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to compare it to another version of this and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, you're going to see a simple user manual to start with. Just a cord to hook on to this, because it is small. So here's the thing with this small yet powerful flashlight. It is really tiny. So as you kind of see, it fits literally in the palm of your hand. Please note that as you get this open, the battery pack is going to be covered, so you'll have to remove that. And you'll want to tighten this back up. Make it nice and tight. It will stop at some point. So nice long USB-C cable. And then this is simply going to just be your clip. That's going to pop right on there. So I don't know. Yep, it's got power, but I'm going to juice this up. You're going to find your USB charging right here. So we're going to get this battery fully charged. Then we're going to actually compare it to another green SC13 version. So we're going to just show you the two, compare them. But these things are really awesome. The clip is really nice. You can hook it to your backpack, to your pocket, whatever you're looking for. And again, you know, this is awesome. It does not take up a lot of space. Now, before I continue, one thing I do want to show you is the magnetic capability. So helps when you get it right in the middle. Pretty strong magnet here. Not perfect against a small tiny space, but if you do have a big magnet, big piece of metal, it should actually just you know, stick on that pretty well. Again, this is a very small little knife that we're working it with, but that just wanted to showcase that real quick. And then finally, before we test it out at night, show you that this is where the cord's just going to strap in, so you can wrap it around your wrist or whatever you need to do. Of course, read your user manual. I highly recommend that. So let's get this charged up and then we'll compare the two. All right, so I've got two different flashlights here, and something cool is they actually magnet together. So I'm going to kind of demonstrate them next to each other here. Let me just disconnect and pop them. So I'm going to try and give you an idea. The black one's on the left. It's a little bit warmer color temperature. Just as we kind of scroll through, I feel like it's a little bit kind of yellower, if you will, than white. Both are super effective. Both do the job really nicely. Combined, they are super powerful, but you know, when separated, you can kind of tell the difference here. For the most part, and I'll flip them around so you can kind of see how that works. But still, both are super effective, doing the job really nicely. So I'm going to cut this in after, but I just wanted to kind of show you that this thing does a great job of lighting everything up. You can tell exactly how much that takes away the shadow, how bright that actually makes things. So this is a really effective light. I love how small it is, easy to clip. I'm going to show you the comparison, or I already did, but I'm going to clip it in after. So you know, really nice, powerful, small little light that does a great job shining. So hopefully that helps. And so totally worth buying. I'm happy with either. Both are very compact, and I love the portability. So hopefully this review and comparison helps, and thanks for watching.